Hello and welcome to Medy Wellness, the kitchen segment. Today we present the best marinated pork recipe, and we begin by marination. We have the pork pieces washed and clean, oregano leaves, black pepper, dana jeera, paprika, tandoori masala, white vinegar, oil, salt, and kefir. At Medy Wellness, we manufacture and sell kefir grains and kefir milk. Kefir is an excellent probiotic health drink, and you can make your order by calling on the lines below, the contacts in the description also. Now we continue the recipe. We put the spices together in a container. The oregano, the black pepper, the masala, the salt, paprika, dana jeera, coriander, and you can add as many fresh herbs as you want, a spoon of vinegar, a spoon of cooking oil, 2 spoons of kefir. You can actually use the kefir whey instead of the kefir itself. I have small amounts because my pork is not a lot. So there, add in your kefir pork pieces and mix it up well. Ensure every piece has the mixture, and then cover it and put it in the fridge. Allow it to marinate for at least 1 hour. It smells nice. And now we start cooking. So we have our pork marinated, our tomatoes and even bay leaves there, more paprika if it's well desired, and any spices. So we have our oil, a little oil and salt. We start by putting the little oil just because it's for the onions to brown. Remember, the pork itself has enough oil that it produces naturally as you start to cook it. And when it's browned enough, you can put in now your mixture. Yes, look at your marinated meat there. Add in some salt, some spices also again as desired, and stir up. Ensure it doesn't burn. When you marinate food with kefir whey or kefir milk, it adds value because remember, kefir is a probiotic health drink, and it has properties that are good for the gut, good for asthma prevention, good for immunity strengthening, good for those with lactose intolerance. It's a nice delicacy too. And just to prevent the burning, you can add in the tomatoes now. You see the meat is already cooked. It's been about 15 minutes now because you are cooking on moderate heat. Add in the bay leaves and continue scraping off the broth. This helps to thicken the stew. If you want to know how to cook meat without adding in additives for thick stew, kindly click onto the description for the thickening stew. Cover it and let it cook slowly over moderate heat for about 10 minutes. And it's ready. Now serve as desired. See the way it looks? Some people like a little stew. I like it just dry. Looks yummy, don't you think so? And it smells nice. Make this your meal. Thanks for watching.
Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Follow us on other social media handles. Medy Wellness cares for you and your family.